this is a super impulsive purchase. When I saw a commercial of the Wokysis retro docking station, I had purchased the M4 Mac Mini to go with it. The M4 Mac Mini is my first desktop from Apple. It is going to replace my MacBook that I had since 2017. I'm really locked into Apple's ecosystem. I have an iPhone 12 mini and an iPad mini 7 that I use to edit and record videos. If you couldn't already tell, I love Apple's mini device line. Aside from the stock being extremely reminiscent to the 1984 Macintosh, where it clearly was inspired by, this reminds me of the Idea Retro Mini PC, but with a functional display. The key features of this dock is that it has a 1280 by 720 display. It supports expansion up to 8 terabytes and includes the M.2 SSD slot in the back where you can install a 2030, a 2242, a 2260, a 2280 SSD. It has in total 4 10 gigabytes per second USB-A ports, 2 in the front panel and 2 in the back panel, 1 10 gigabyte per second USB-C port. It has a SD card and a micro SD 4.0 card reader, and it supports data speeds up to 312 megabytes per second. It includes HDMI input port, and you can also adjust the brightness of the screen on the back of the device. There's actually 2 versions of the Wokysis retro docking station. At the end of October, they were supposed to launch a Thunderbolt 5 version that can support 80 gigabytes per second of speed versus the one that I have, which only supports 10 gigabytes per second of speed. But when I did purchase this device on November the 8th, I did not see that listed on their Amazon site, so it's possible that version only is on their website, but I have not checked. The M.2 2230 SSD card that I got from my tablet when I upgraded it. I'm unsure what the brand is. The dock doesn't seem to work with the Steam Deck as it kept glitching in and out. But if you have a regular Windows PC or like a Windows handheld like the Legion Go, it works perfectly fine with that device. It's cool that you can attach this dock to a Windows PC as well. So if you have a Windows Mini PC that's the same size as the Mac Mini, you can actually put the dock on top and have the same function. I plan on making this my main display for my Mac, as I wanted my Mac Mini to have an all-in-one display, but I will be utilizing the peripherals and the storage between my tablet PC and my Mac Mini. I bought a KVM switch that will allow me to do that. Overall, I think this dock is pretty cool. It has ports galore, so you can use so many different peripherals hooked up to this device, and it just makes my Mac Mini experience overall just a lot better than I think it would have been initially if I just went out and bought a Mac Mini. So I definitely recommend.